Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you've decided you want to learn guitar. Awesome choice. It's one of the most rewarding things you can do. But where do you even start? It can feel super overwhelming, I know. You see all these amazing players online and think, I'll never get there. But trust me, every single one of them started right where you are now, with a guitar and a dream. Today, I'm going to break down the first essential steps to get you started on your guitar journey, making it simple and fun. We cover everything from choosing the right guitar for acoustic or electric to understanding the basic anatomy of the instrument. Don't worry, I won't drown you in complicated music theory, too. Instead, we'll focus on the absolute fundamentals that will give you the biggest results. Fast. First things first, let's talk about holding the guitar properly and how to position your hands. It might feel awkward at first, but getting the posture right from day one will save you a lot of trouble later on. Then, we'll dive into the most exciting part, making some noise. I'll show you your very first chord. Yes, just one to start. We'll learn how to press the strings down correctly to get a clean, clear sound. No buzzing allowed. Once you've got that down, we'll learn a couple more simple chords. I'm talking about the building blocks of thousands of popular songs. We'll practice switching between them smoothly. This is the secret sauce to playing actual music. It takes a bit of practice, but I've got some great exercises to help your fingers build that muscle memory. By the end of this video, you won't just be holding a guitar. You'll be playing it. If you have the confidence and the foundational skills to start learning your favorite songs. It's all about taking small, consistent steps. So grab your guitar, or if you don't have one yet, just follow along and get inspired. Let's make some music together. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to start your guitar journey, be sure to subscribe for more listens. See you in the next video.